Hi everyone, we are happy to announce about analytics plates. Now you can plan your day through our website, digital planner or online planner. And after that, you can transform your digital planner or online planner into insightful dashboard. Let's check it out. Analyticsplates.com. This is the main page. We already have a video about digital planner and how we can fill it and upload it through our system to get the dashboard. We added a new option here, online planner. So we can navigate here and click to plan online, start planning. We can go to any month here. Yeah, if we write a new to-do list, we can add from here, and habit tracker also. We can add from here, and daily events. We can add events. We have many categories: spending, calories, reading. We can fill one of them, speeding. Add events and so on. We can also add for calories, reading, and we can also read our check meals. So I'll give it rating 4 and done. Figma 3, Power BI dashboard 5, Tableau dashboard I will give it 5 also. Grocery can 2, Power BI task 5, and here also you can track your habit, woke up early, reading book, morning routine. So I didn't walk today, for example, so I want to check it out. I will select health food, so we can go to view dashboard. If we look at the overview dashboard, it's including to-do list and habit tracker. So how many tasks completed for daily 1 January, average rating, habit score, and this daily task completion, it's not affected by this filter. It's only affected by the primary time slicer filter. So daily, weekly, monthly. If we go to weekly, it will be go to the week, all filled week we have done, monthly, quarterly. Let's back to daily, and also habit consistency trend, the same here. Now we can break down to habit performance for this day, 1 January, as we filled out. Recent task to the list with the rating here in the right hand side. And also we have weekly. We can go to weekly and see. We can see here heat map for habit performance. Weekly. And if we go to monthly, choosing January, so the heat map also for all months of the year. Quarterly, choosing the first quarter. We'll find here also heat map for every particular quarter. Let's go to finance dashboard. Finance dashboard, it's also the same primary time slicer and secondary time slicer. So we can go daily, for example. 1 January, and we will see what we filled in 1 January. We need something have data, so we go to, okay, there's data for 12, yeah. Daily income, total spending remaining, and you can trick our budget from these three scorecards. And we here spending by period. If we select daily, it will be daily here, weekly, it will be weekly, monthly, quarterly. So, and this by category, and here's a low level transaction. Also here setting, we can set your annual salary because uh, you can't calculate daily income without enter your salary. So you can enter your annual salary with your currency and save a change, and it will reflect here in daily income, and it will calculate remaining calculation. So let's go to calories dashboard. When go to calories dashboard, we can track our calories for 1 January. So average calories in, average calories out, and net balance is difference between them. And here calories in and out, the same here for x-axis time. It's reflected by daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and also here for daily net balance trend. And here it will be the breakdown for low level day for recent meals and exercise if you did calories out. Let's go to the last page box dashboard. As we see here for box dashboard, we can select 1 January for daily, and we can see total page for this day 1 January and daily average. It's mainly useful when use weekly, monthly, quarterly, and book reads for this day. And here these area chart not affected by the secondary time slicer. It's only affected by primary time slicer and the page by box. So atomic habits, I have read 10 pages, and here also the breakdown for reading session. And also don't forget we have two moods, light mode and dark mode. So we can, you get to dark mode and you'll find also stunning dashboard with beautiful colors and a beautiful theme. So overview here should be also good, and finance, calories, books. Yeah, that's it.